Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video feels like it has been a long time in the making to get accomplished. It is going to be my decorated house tour. If you haven't seen the first video that I uploaded, it's all about updating your rental on a budget. It contains a few tips on what to do before you move in to get the place nice and ready before you decide to decorate. I'll go ahead and link that video somewhere on the screen up here and also down below in the description bar. Definitely go look at it and check it out and see if that can be helpful for you. But this video is going to be the fun part. It is all about decorating the house. I feel like decorating a house really makes the house a home. It is personalized, it is fun to do, you get to put in all kinds of effort into it and make it your own. Now this video is going to be a little bit different from most house tours because I do film my videos myself. I don't have anyone else helping me out because I am just starting my channel. So I didn't have somebody to hold the camera like a normal house decorating tour where I can like stand off to the side and talk about everything I bought and where I got it from and all of that fun stuff. So I had to go around the house into different areas that I wanted to show you guys and film the clips myself. So bear with me, eventually I will have somebody else able to hold that camera and we can do more in-depth videos and things like that. But for now, it's all me. And I'm trying to figure this thing out here. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. You guys are tired of hearing me talk, so let's roll some clips of the decorated house.
So in this clip here, I am just doing my gallery wall. And for everything that I hung up on the wall, I just used the Velcro command strips. So I'd put one on the wall and one on the picture frame or whatever it was I was hanging, and I'd Velcro them together and stick them up on the wall. Most of the stuff that's on the wall either came from TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby or something like that, or it was gifted to me by somebody else. So this shelf actually came from Facebook Marketplace, and the little picture frame on top was a Christmas gift. The plant was from TJ Maxx. These little baskets were gifted to me, and then the white baskets came with the shelf. And then this little guy right here came, I think, from Hobby Lobby maybe? And this is why you don't film with the flash on, because you see all the little dust particles getting flown up in the air by my dogs playing next to me. So my mom actually made this for us when we moved in with her Cricut, which was super sweet of her. It turned out so cute. This couch is from Ashley Furniture. We found it on Facebook Marketplace. Again, the wall decorations are from either TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby or something of the sort. The big fluffy brown pillow that you saw, we have two of those. They were from Target. And then the fluffy white pillow, they were actually covers ordered off of Amazon and just put on some old couch pillows that we had beforehand. This sign, along with a lot of other things throughout the house, were actually given to me by my sweet mom. She loves to shop for home decor with me, so when we moved, she was definitely the hookup for some cute stuff. Now here we are moving on to the kitchen, and this is our little cocktail bar in the corner there. It was actually from Wayfair, and of course all the bottles are from the store, and this little sign I think was from Hobby Lobby. So this little kitchen utensils holder was from TJ Maxx, and it was a little bit bigger than the one we had before to hold a bunch of utensils that we had. And then this knife holder really needs repainted. We'll get to that next. This holy water thing is super cool. You put your alcohol bottle in it and it's like a tap dispenser. We got that from an Irish festival here in Ohio. We got a little bit of decor there with the Magnolia Home sugar holder, which I absolutely adore. This little bread thing only holds a small loaf of bread, and that was from Michael's. Got a mason jar full of flour and an old coffee pot that desperately needs replaced. This is just the window over our sink, so we've got a little candle on there, the Celtic knot that we also got from the Irish festival, and of course a little box of tissues just in case your nose gets runny. Moving into our guest bathroom here, we've got some gray and white tones with some accents of like a peachy pink color that I thought was super cute. This rug, along with the other rug, I think we got online somewhere, I'm not sure where. This was from TJ Maxx. We got a tissue holder that just goes over your tissue box, a Bath & Body Works candle, a Vera Wang dish, to hold your rings, some soap from Bath & Body Works, then a Rae Dunn container that holds my hair ties. We got some candles on the back of the toilet that never get lit, a towel from Target. We've got this cabinet thing that holds some perfumes and some other things. These signs were from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of the two. My makeup brushes, some cotton balls, and that container just holds some perfumes and things. Another matching rug, also Rae Dunn. A shower curtain that needs ironed, but I think I got that from Amazon. And another curtain that goes in the closet that I also got from Amazon that also needs ironed, and a little towel hanging on that hook there. Moving into the dining room here, we've got a nice overview here. We've got some pictures, a bookshelf, our table, and a little hutch. All of the signs in this room are from TJ Maxx. I went in and pretty much cleared out all of their Farmhouse signs that they had, and then the canvases with our engagement photos on there are from Canvas People. This amazing dining table actually was on Facebook Marketplace, and Matt found it and we secured it for a lot cheaper than what it would have gone for if we bought it new from the store. And I just put a table runner on there with some flowers and some coasters. My calendar that I have was from Facebook Marketplace. My mom found it on there for super cheap. And this little picture frame holder is so cute. We found it at a garage sale near us. They had homemade it. And then this hutch that we have here is from IKEA, and we've just got some decorations on there, most of them being from TJ Maxx, also some from Michael's. And I think that letterboard was from Big Lots. And these chairs that are in the corners actually came with the dining table. And then again, some Farmhouse signs from TJ Maxx. And my bookshelf, which is my pride and joy, I've read every single book on that bookshelf, and I absolutely love it. I've got my diploma there and some decorations from obviously Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, you know the drill by now. And yeah, I love this part of the dining room. And then here's our front porch with some signs from Big Lots and some other little fun decoration pieces. We hung some curtains up to provide a little bit of privacy if we needed. We've got a birdhouse over there from TJ Maxx and a planter that needs some plants in it for sure.
There you have it, guys. That's my decorated house tour. It took 2 months to get everything kind of where I wanted it. For now, at least. I do have a bad habit of wanting to redecorate any chance I get, really, because I just get bored with everything and I feel like it's not perfect or it doesn't look like these other house tours and things like that. So I always want to redecorate. I'm always trying to change things around and make things look better. But yeah, for now, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. It definitely took some work. This place is really old. It's about 100 years old. So working with the crooked walls and the crooked floors and everything like that, that was kind of difficult. And I'm also limited, like a lot of us are, on funds that I can just go do and spend and decorate with, because I don't have $1 million to just go and redo my house every month like some of these other YouTubers do. But yeah, that's what it looks like for now. I enjoy it. It's a really nice, cozy space. People who have come over really enjoy the way it looks, so I'm cool with it for now. Definitely stay tuned because I am going to be doing a fall decorating video in some manner. I'm not exactly sure what route I'm going to be taking with that yet. So give me some recommendations down in the comments of what kind of fall decorating videos you guys like to see. I will be uploading a video on what I'm doing to decorate for fall because I am really excited to put some pumpkins out. So make sure you stay tuned. In order to do that, subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if it was a little bit more interesting than my other videos. Also, go ahead and leave me some comments on what I can do to make this channel more watchable, more enjoyable for you guys. Also, comment down below what other videos in general you want to see. I am making content for other people, so let me know what videos you're interested in. Give me some suggestions on what I can do to improve my channel, improve my videos, make them more interesting to watch for you guys. Because again, I am making videos for you, not necessarily for me. So please let me know what I can do to make the videos more enjoyable. Try to be nice. I am just starting. I am still learning. The more subscribers we can get, the better these videos are going to be. Also, hit the notification bell so that way you're not missing out on the videos that I upload, because I am going to be improving these videos. I just got a new light and a tripod, so that's a big step. I was using stacks of books to hold my phone up. If you're interested in my beginner YouTuber setup, it's not much, but I could definitely make a video on that for you guys. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are at, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Where am I going with that? And I will just kind of add in a, yeah, these cars are really killing me. Rambling at this point. Stop. This is the button. Stop.